So we're at Wild Bill Lake, and it recently snowed. Like really recently, because I was here last weekend, and none of this was here. So we're gonna fly fish, and yeah, should be fun. Let's do it. To a dry fly to end it. Alright, so we're wrapping up here at Wild Bill. My camera just died when I tried to do this, like in the middle of starting, but that's okay. I would say that was another successful trip. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing us kind of catch some little trout. Hello to all my new subscribers. We just passed 200 subscribers, which is exciting, definitely exciting. We got a little bit of a drive back to town, so we're gonna leave. Thanks for watching. Can't beat a day out in the Montana wilderness. Bears! Rat's nests are the devil. Amen.